Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to transfer or send Solana from Kraken to your Phantom wallet. Firstly, open the Phantom wallet extension and enter your password to unlock it. Click on your wallet address at the top center to copy it. Now sign in with your Kraken account. From the dashboard, click Funding on the top left. Choose Withdraw from the options. Use the search bar to withdraw this section to find Solana or any other currency. Click on Add Solana address and paste the Phantom wallet address you copied earlier. Add a nickname for the address and click Add Withdrawal Address. Check your email and confirm the new address via the Kraken confirmation email. After confirmation, your Phantom address will appear in the list. Choose it and enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Then click Withdraw. Review the withdrawal details like address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, click Withdraw again to finalize. Open your Phantom wallet, then click Solana to view your updated balance and transaction history. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.